Hello everyone, friends. Vyacheslav with you. Some time ago I received this docking station for the 5th iPhone. Also, probably 5C fits. And by the way, you can watch a video about tips here. I'll leave a link. When connecting the Latin and inserting the phone on, nothing happened at all. I didn't even see. This is how it looks. This is where the 3.5 is connected. Here is the lightning connector. There are also outputs. Convenient. In principle, the phone is standing, and when you connect it here, already outgoing wherever you want. Home theater, at least, that's how it depends on me. And it's charging. Well, let's take it apart and see why it doesn't work. Is there anything there at all? We'll take it apart with this glue. I'll take it apart carefully. We'll push mine through and we've got it. Wow. Excellent. It snapped off. We'll thread these through. What do we see? The design is certainly interesting. Look.
Конструкция, конечно, интересная. Посмотрите.
For weight, this one was used. It's not clear what it is.
Непонятно, что это.
Now we'll check it with a magnet. Yes, a piece of iron. So here's a piece of sealant, apparently, to hold the wires.
Уплотнителя. Видать, чтобы, я не знаю, держать вот эти вот провода.
So, what do we see? It seems to have everything here. Well, it worked. The sound worked. Yeah, maybe that's the problem. Look, friends. One wire is not soldered. See? Here it is.
Вот он. Ну, в остальном вроде все.
Everything is done well here, of course. The design is flimsy, so oh well.
Ну, конечно, конструкция хлипкая такая. Так, ну что ж.
Let me turn on the soldering iron and solder it.
И припаяю его.
Now a pause. Okay, well, I soldered everything. I checked everything again. Everything is good here. It holds. Let's assemble now. We need to get into these.
Так, надо нам сейчас попасть вот в эти вот...
Pulls carefully so that nothing falls out.
Чтобы у нас ничего, блин, не вывалилось.
They don't want something.
Как-то так.
Fixing it. Fixing it.
Защелкиваем, проверяем.
checking that nothing is loose. So, well then,
Момент. Я вытащу аппарат.
the case, so.
Так, и включим наше зарядное. Вот провод. Включаем сюда. Работает.
Why was there no sound?
Так, а почему звука не было? Непонятно. Ну ладно, не в этом дело. Включаем сюда. Ставим его в данный разъем. Вуаля, друзья. Заряд пошел. Вот такой вот несложный ремонт был. Покажу еще раз. Вот еще разъем. И обратно.
But the phone complains, saying that this cable or accessory is not certified, so its reliability with this iPhone is not guaranteed.
С этим iPhone не гарантируется.
That's how it is. It's charging.
Но зарядка идет. Вот такой несложный ремонт, друзья.
I'll say goodbye on that. Thanks for watching to the end. Subscribe, like.
Ставьте лайки или дизлайки. Пишите комментарии. Поделитесь этим видео.
This way you will help me a lot in its further development.
Да. Ну все, пока.